Let's get brutally honest. Your mind is either your most powerful weapon or your personal wrecking ball. There's no in between. This thing inside your head, it's been creating entire worlds before you've even had your first sip of coffee. Dreams, fears, fantasies, conspiracy theories about your own life, all of it. Every day your mind is in command, even when you don't notice it. So it is prescribing the kind of life that you will live. Read that again. Your mind decides your life. Consider each and every decision that has ever been made by you. The ones that propelled you ahead in life and the ones that cast you in front of your bed, scrolling on TikTok for 5 hours. That all came down to one thing, your mindset. That inner world of thoughts and beliefs that's running the show nonstop. No breaks, no time off. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Your mindset is either making you unstoppable or silently eating away at your potential like termites in a wooden house. There's no pause button. It's building you up or tearing you down. And if you're not actively training it, sharpening it, strengthening it, then guess what? It's falling apart. You have really felt this pain, haven't you? That punch to the stomach sort of moment when life just knocks you down. Nostalgia by ice cream in tubs, tears from the heart. The rejection that feels like it split your soul in half. Or a failure so ridiculous you look up at the sky and ask, are you serious right now? That's when reality hits. Mindset isn't built when everything's easy, not when your to-do list is cute or your horoscope says big things coming. Real strength is forged in the mess, the sweat, the silence, the stuff no one posts about. It's built when it's just you versus you. No filters, no edits, no audience. So let me ask you straight up, have you been building your mindset or just hoping it magically toughens up while you sleep? Because life, it doesn't care if you're tired. It doesn't check if Mercury's in retrograde. It doesn't wait until your crystals are charged or your vibe is perfect. It comes at you, raw and uninvited. Heartbreak, stress, loss, all of it. And if your mental armor isn't strong, it will crush you. Not because you're weak, but because you thought strength was optional. It's not. It never was. This is your wake-up call, the one most people ignore because it's uncomfortable. But not you. You're hearing it now. That unshakable version of you, the one who laughs in the face of chaos, who keeps walking when others fold, that version is real, already inside you. It's time to stop playing small. You don't wait until you feel ready. You decide now. So let's ask the real question. If life came swinging tomorrow, are you ready to swing back? Ready to hold your ground? Or would you fold? Be honest, because that's where change starts. If your mindset feels off right now, like you've lost your fire, it's not because you're lazy or broken. It's because you've been raised in a world designed to keep you soft. Think about it. Food shows up at your door with one tap. You can get a date with a swipe. You're tired? Netflix has 14 hours of distraction waiting. Everything is set up for comfort, for ease, for instant gratification. Your brain, it loves it. But here's the trap. Comfort is killing your confidence. Every time you choose ease over effort, you teach your brain something dangerous, that your word doesn't matter, that you can't trust yourself. That's what really hurts. Not the missed workout, not the delayed project, but the fact that deep down you're losing belief in you. And here's the twist. It's not even your fault. From day one, we've been taught that struggle is bad. That pain means you're doing something wrong. That discomfort should be avoided at all costs. So when life gets hard, you don't think, this is the work. You think, this must be a sign to stop. But the truth, struggle is the price of strength. Discomfort is the measure of a growth. All the while as you sidestep challenges and seek to remain in that comfort zone, you find your resilience shrinking. Quietly, slowly, but relentlessly. If you ever find yourself in dilemma regarding why you are stuck up, why you just cannot get it together, this is it. No one taught you or how to develop real mental toughness. Now you know. Let's talk about the real enemies. The voices in your head holding you back. Doubt, excuses, comparison, perfectionism. They're like undercover agents sabotaging you from within. Doubt shows up like a concerned friend. Are you sure? What if you fail? Suddenly your bold move becomes a full-blown anxiety spiral. Excuses are smooth. You're tired. Take a break. Try again tomorrow. But tomorrow is a myth. It never comes. Comparison crushes momentum. You were doing great until you saw someone else doing better. Suddenly you socially isolate yourself and feel worthless and invisible. Perfectionism is the deadliest trap. When you think of everything it tells you, wait until it's perfect. And while you're probably waiting for your whole life to pass by, you spend days and nights tweaking and preparing. Those voices, they are not truths. They are fear masquerading as a mouthpiece for you. And worse, they sound like you. But that's when you take back your moment, you see them. Not because they vanish, but because they lose their soil. You hear the voice. You know it in your head. And you move. Every time you push through, showing up when you don't feel like it, choosing action over avoidance, you're stacking wins. Quiet victories, private victories. The kind no one sees but everyone eventually feels. That's how confidence is built. That's how you become bulletproof. Because without waiting for motivation, you transform yourself into someone who just moves anyway. Messy, imperfect, relentless. And that's transformation. The little everyday decisions that will eventually change your life, not some dramatic instance. So the next time those voices pop up, and they will, don't panic. Don't spiral. Smile. Recognize them for what they are. Old programming, outdated scripts. Easy to get and then get back to work. Because the real you, the strong, brave you,